Voyager 2. The silence that watches. For nearly 5 decades, Voyager 2 has drifted through the black silence of space. A lone relic of human ambition, sailing endlessly through the void. No fuel. No control. No hope of return. Only a faint pulse of data, whispering home to the small blue world that sent it. For years, its signals were steady and familiar: cosmic rays, plasma counts, magnetic fields. The quiet heartbeat of a probe wandering the dark. Then one day, everything changed. Amid the static came a new pattern, structured, deliberate, intelligent. When decoded, it revealed an image. Not random. Not noise. Intentional. Precise. A geometric form, sharp and symmetrical, hovering in a field of nothing. Not a planet. Not a star. But something that was watching. Light bent around it. Space itself seemed to distort. Moments later, Voyager's instruments spiked. Radiation surged. Power flickered. Orientation lost. As though something had reached back. The image wasn't one frame, but many, each from different points in time. This wasn't a photograph. It was an event. A 4-dimensional construct, compressed into a signal. Then plasma readings rose tenfold at the edge of the heliopause, hot, controlled, deliberate. As if something had built a wall around our solar system. Not to keep things out, but to keep something in. Soon after, Voyager shifted 3 degrees. Uncommanded. Precise. Its antenna aligned with uncharted space. A second image followed, a ring of light expanding around the same shape. NASA cut the feed. But echoes were detected by independent telescopes. The object was transmitting back, on Voyager's golden record frequency. Only this time, the message wasn't from us. It was to us. And the voice within it wasn't human. The data turned unstable, recursive, self-protecting. Systems crashed. Hardware failed. The signal seemed to defend itself from decryption. What if it wasn't meant for us? One researcher whispered. They called it a mimetic payload, a message that infects thought. Then Voyager transmitted again. Not data, but sound. A deep harmonic pulse, like breathing. When played aloud, listeners felt pressure behind the eyes, the undeniable sensation of being watched. The waveform traced the same shape, the monolith, wrapped in spirals of prime numbers. This isn't a greeting, a linguist said. It's a key. Then came the final transmission. You have been observed. After that, silence. The carrier wave remained, but empty, repeating forever. Some said Voyager was overtaken. Others feared it had changed. A vessel now linked to something beyond comprehension. Soon, radio telescopes detected echoes of the same modulation across the sky, as if the universe itself was repeating our signal back. A forgotten NASA directive resurfaced. If signal repeats, initiate Protocol 9. It never was. The pattern matched one discovered years later from a distant galaxy, identical. Deliberate. It wasn't coincidence. It was a cycle. A test triggered when a civilization dares to look too far. Voyager didn't just explore. It crossed something. And something crossed back. Space is not empty. It's aware. The image was never a discovery. It was a warning. Not because we found something, but because something found us. So when you look at the night sky, remember, silence does not mean alone. Beyond the heliopause, something is still watching.